Welcome to designecentral ePonti case study regarding the exchange transfer process. This scenario involves a project manager having a project requiring a product to be installed sooner than usual. This requires a rush shipment, causing increased costs that may not be recoverable from the client. This also adds undue pressure onto the procurement manager to acquire this product in-house by the requested date. Now, the project manager has logged into ePonti. They would navigate to the project section where they would select the selected project that happens to be a rush. They'd open it up, go into the Tasks tab, which displays all the products that have been selected for the project. They would then select the items that they need to order and select New POR. Next, they would then create a case. So by going to the Cases tab, click on New Case. They would then fill out this case, which is a concern or issue regarding a project, and rush order. They can name that. They can put the priority as high, status is current, and they assign it to the appropriate resource. And put in a note, need these Apple TVs ASAP. And by hitting save, it created the case, and then it also sent out an email notification to the person who it was assigned to. Next, the procurement agent, after receiving the email notifications, wants to process the request that came about. Well, first of all, after they logged in, they'd probably want to take a detailed information about the case. So they're going to go into the project, they're going to go into the cases, they're going to open up the case so they can see what this is referring to. They could also, right from here, is go to the purchasing tab and see the correct purchase order request that was created for those items. After verifying what they need to order, they would go into the accounting section, then go to the custody, and take a quick look at what they might have in-house that's been received. So it's Apple, so I'm going to type in Apple, and I'm going to filter for those. And it displays all the products based off of the filter selection that I have. So what we're looking for is those Apple devices that are in stock that haven't been delivered. So it looks like there is one here on the Project T3, and it's in the warehouse, and also there's another one in that same one. So we have 2 in the T3 project, and we need 2 in the Test 9. So now we can then take a quick look at what we're going to. So we go to Transfers, click on New Transfer. So on the transfer form, we identify the reason. We then also identify the particular project, and then we need to identify the purchase order request. So this was purchase order request 54. There is the Apple TVs. Now we go to the From, and we select the project, which happens to be the T3 project that we're going to be pulling it from. It then identifies the correct purchase order request based off of those information. We select those items. And the last thing before we create the exchange transfer, what we want to do is make sure that we identify the new location, inventory location or custody location of the 2 projects. So it's warehouse. So now we're going to click on exchange transfer. What it has done is pulled those items off of the old purchase order request, put them on the new one. So now the procurement agent would reopen that case, put in the comments that transfer has been completed, assign it back to the person that needs to be done, and hit save. What it has now done is sent out an email notification to the project manager so that they can come in here and proceed with the project. So they would come in, open up that project, go to the particular tasks, and then they can say, yeah, I need all of these items, and generate a new delivery request and get those out to the job site, or they can assign them to a particular resource to go out and install. So that gave you a quick overview of designecenctral's ePonti case study about exchange transfer. Thank you.